So just starting out with regular crunches, hands behind the head. We're gonna crunch up and down. Putting all the work into the abs, not pulling on the neck at all. Got a little workout partner with me. Keep going, regular crunches. 4 more. We're gonna bring the right leg up to tabletop, so the knees right over the hip, up and down. Keep it going, up and down. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now the leg is going to extend out, crunch to the right, out, crunch to the right. Bring that elbow to the knee, out, crunch to the right. Keep it going, out, crunch right. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs straight up now, back to center. Keep it going. Here for 4, 3, 2. Now the left leg to tabletop. Again, knees right over the hip. Keep it going. For 4, 3, 2, we're going to do that leg extension with the twist. So going out, bring it in. Now to the left, bringing that elbow to the knee. Out, crunch left. Out, crunch left. Keep it going. Here's 4, 3, 2, 1. Leg straight up, back, center. Up and down. Almost done with this one. Here's 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs now to tabletop. Keep the lower back pressed down. Keep going. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs up, cross the right over the left. Switch, left over right. Legs down now into a frog. So feet together, knees apart. Keep it going, up down. Here for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to turn onto the left side. With that leg, we're going to crunch up, down. Elbow to the knee, getting into those obliques. Up and down. Here for 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back, center, up and down. Up and down. Keep it going. Try to keep those elbows wide. And let's go over onto the right side. Up and down. We're gonna side now. Elbow to the knee. Here for 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back, center. We're gonna bring the arms now in front. Cross them over twice. Cross the legs. We're gonna do a reverse crunch and a regular crunch. So we're gonna squeeze everything together and release. Knees come in, elbows come in. Try and lift that booty up off the mat. Good, switch everything, other side. And down. Up and down. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Last variation, extend those legs out straight. Push the lower back into the mat. Ready? Here we go. Crunch it up and down, up and down. Elbows wide. Keep the lower back pressed down. Here's your final count of 8. Up and down. Here we go for 4, 3, 2, and 1. There we go. Relax. Stretch it out long. Slightly arch the back up. And we'll turn over for a quick stretch. Hands under the shoulders. Gentle press up. Lower down. One more push up. And pressing back. Arms extended. And coming back up.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.